All right, welcome to Beyond Super. I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have these Oculus VR Ireland limited controllers. I just wanted to show you how to access the battery as well as resetting the controllers. Sometimes we forget how to access the batteries because it's so clean like this. So it's really simple, but sometimes it can get the best of us. Anyway, what you want to look for on these controllers is the little arrow on the corner, like right there, as well as right there. And sometimes it's again difficult to access it because even though it says arrow down, it's kind of hard to do. It has a really stiff magnet. So if you can grab it this way and pull it down, great. But a lot of times, what you can just simply do is grab it from the corner with your thumb like this, and it pops right out just like that. And again, that's how you get access to your controller. Same here. You could, again, grab it on the corner, pop it down like that, or simply push it with the other thumb and grab it that way. If you can't do the motion of pulling it down just on its surface, because sometimes it's very smooth and you have a hard time doing it. But that's the way to access the battery. And then once you put in your batteries, which we'll do right now, let's do that. Put it up like that. Same thing here. Let's do the same on this side. It'll be the positive is on the bottom. Same thing. Now, you can't just turn it on by just hitting this, or it's not going to give you the vibration. So basically, what you have to do is you got to hit the B button and the Meta button, or whatever you want to call this thing, or Oculus button, and you got to hit it at the same time. And what that'll do is make that thing blink. Okay, you got to hold it down for a few seconds. Sometimes it's longer than 2-3 seconds, just like what happened right now. Same thing here. That one was a lot faster. Okay, so that is literally it. Then you'll do the prompting on your headset. But that is the way to reset your Oculus controller, or your Oculus Ireland limited controllers. Okay, hopefully that helps someone out there, and if it does, please give it a thumbs up, this video, and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.